Hello friends, welcome to Hari's Edu World. My name is Hari Krishnan. Friends, in this video we will go through the important GK questions on topic Constituent Assembly India, a relevant topic in all competitive examinations. So don't miss any questions, watch the full video. And if you are watching this channel first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel and enable the notification button to get the latest video alert. Okay, let's go to the questions. The first question: the Constituent Assembly was set up under which of the following plan, report, commission? Answer option A, Cabinet Mission Plan. Okay friends, let me add few more important points related to this Cabinet Mission Plan. The first point is about the date on which the Cabinet Mission arrived in India, and it's on March 24, 1946. And another point is about the members included in the Cabinet Mission. So the cabinet mission was composed of three ministers from the British Parliament, and they were Sir Patrick Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps, and Alexander. And among these three members, the head of the cabinet mission was Sir Patrick Lawrence. Now we go to the next question. Which of the following place where the Constituent Assembly met for the first time on 9th December 1946? Answer: in the library of the Council Chamber, Delhi. Who presided over the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer: Sachidananda Sinha. Who was the temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Answer: Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. On which day Constituent Assembly elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as its permanent president? Answer: on 11th December 1946. Who among the following was the chairman of Constituent Assembly's Committee on the Rules of Procedure? Answer: Rajendra Prasad. The drafting committee of Constituent Assembly was appointed on 29th August 1947, and the chairman of the drafting committee was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The first session of the Constituent Assembly took place on 9th to 23rd December 1946. Who was elected as Vice President of the Constituent Assembly on 13th December 1946? Answer: H.C. Mukherjee. Who among the following was the chairman of Minorities Subcommittee? H.C. Mukherjee. Who was appointed as the constitutional advisor to the Assembly? Answer: B.N. Rao. So the first draft of the Indian Constitution was prepared by B.N. Rao. A very important point. How many countries' constitution were studied by B.R. Ambedkar before making Indian Constitution? Answer: 60. How many readings were held on the Constitution in the Constituent Assembly? Answer: 3. Which resolution became the preamble of the Constitution? A very important question. Answer: objective resolution. So this objective resolution was presented before the Constituent Assembly by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the Constituent Assembly adopted this objective resolution on 22nd January 1947. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Indian national flag on 22nd July 1947. And also the national anthem was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 24th January 1950. When did the Indian Constitution come into action? 26 January 1950. So the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution of India on 26 November 1949, but the Indian Constitution come into action on 26 January 1950. The total number of members signed on the Constitution. Answer 284. The final session of the Constituent Assembly was held on 24th January 1950. So the Constituent Assembly took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the drafting of Indian Constitution. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha after India turned into a republic? G.V. Mavlankar. How many articles are written in the Constitution when it came into effect? 395 articles. So the Constitution consists of 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules when it came into effect. The oldest person in India Constituent Assembly. Friends, this is a question for you. You have to find out the answer. Enter the answer in the comment box. Who is recognized as the father of Indian Constitution? Answer B.R. Ambedkar. So Ambedkar was the first law and justice minister of India. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land and it is protected by the Supreme Court. And friends, there are a few more important committees and chairman of those committees associated with the Constituent Assembly. So that is provided here in a table format. So that just for your reference, you can go through this table. So please subscribe this channel and enable the notification button to get the latest video alert. Also share this video to others also. Thank you for watching.